No sleep. No problem. Let's do some lazy morning skincare prep. Water. That was a lot. Exfoliator. I haven't exfoliated my face in quite some time. Last night I didn't sleep because I was watching season 5 of You, which weirdly enough I never got to watching, and I just watched it throughout the night. I haven't slept since yesterday. The sun came out and the lighting was good and I was like, look here, I'm not playing with the sun, because if you're a content creator you know how difficult it is to get up at a reasonable time to film content. Honey, it is difficult and I'm not about to play. Alright, my nose always has whiteheads and blackheads, and this Cuticura exfoliator always just helps with that. For anyone and for everyone, bring your skincare down to your neck. I'm not gonna tell you again. Ek weet jou, wat heb jy gesê nie, maar ek sê nou vir jou, bring jou skincare tot by jou nek, mense. Ek is nie 'n Kardashian nie, asseblief. Ek gaan nie sit met 'n gesig wat sonneploeie is nie en 'n nek wat lyk soos okay se dieg. Brown sugar. This is very messy, but it actually works. And das is klaar, die tulips. Shea butter. You warm it up in your hands. Unrefined shea butter is absolutely amazing. It has been keeping my skin so moisturized. That is my lazy morning skincare prep. Hope you guys like this one.